Antiques Roadshow viewers were left stunned by the value of a weird-looking glass bird during the latest episode aired on BBC. Fine arts and antiques expert Will Farmer was fascinated when he saw the yellow square-shaped ornament, which was supported by two metal bird legs, on Sunday's repeat of the episode. He told the guest, "I am thrilled to say that we have very successfully ticked off one of those boxes because before us, we have the most brilliant beat of fantastic glass at its best." The woman revealed that it belonged to her sister, who was given it as a wedding gift in 1966. With its distinctive shape and the vivid color on the glass, Will was certain that it was the famous Murano glass from the island just off Venice. Read more related articles. He said the creator of the glass bird was a famous Venetian architect, Alessandro Pianon, who started developing the glass in the 1960s. Will explained that Pianon created a collection of birds in similar style and said, "There's a round one in bright orange, there's a tall one in green, there's one I always call the fortune cookie which is sort of blue with stripes. There's a big fat mother hen in purple, but do you know what? There's one that's the rarest of them all, that on." Antiques Roadshow's biggest surprise is the guest smiled as she listened to Will explaining how complicated it was to produce such piece. The expert revealed he had recently bought a replica of the relic as he continued on to the valuation. "They were expensive when they were new and they are expensive today. And this is the best one, and I know how much these are worth because this was the last one that I bought. And this one has just cost me the best part of £7,000. But viewers were less than happy at the eye-watering valuation, as they felt it was less than pleasing on the eye. One wrote on Twitter, "That glass bird thing is horrid." Another viewer said, "I had 3 things I wanted to see on AR. Holy Grail, Ark of Covenant, Excalibur. No, some **** Murano glass. £7,000 for that glass bird thing." A third questioned,